Good afternoon, guys. What's going on? What's cracking? So I'm getting into this video here real quick. I'm pretty excited. I just received my RACESENG shift knob. It actually just came in the mail, and I decided to get the MR2 out. Check out that TCS Motorsport fan shroud. But I got the RACESENG shift knob in right now, sitting on top of the MR2, which it's going in specifically. I've been waiting for this to come in, so I'm very, very excited. First thing I'm gonna say though, like the box it comes in, like look how nice that is even. Like I love that they actually say RACESENG on the tape. Something I always like when people do customized tape. I'm not sure why I like it, but yeah. So here's the first one, and then there's a cover. This is a Slamology knob, so I'll go over the details here, but again, nice packaging. Again, they have custom tape for this and for the stickers that hold it together, which that's also a very nice touch. I really, really like that on both of them here. Let me go get a knife and let's go ahead and crack these open and see what they look like. One thing, guys, I want to mention is it also came with this nice sticker here, and it came with a nice little card. It said, thanks, Ryan, for the support, and thanks, RACESENG, for the support, and support to the channel. It's without sponsors and stuff like this, guys, my channel's dead, so this kind of stuff means the world to me. So let's go ahead and open these boxes now. So let's go ahead and we'll try the first one here. Cut, and let's get the second one. Cut. Close up the knife because we don't want to damage anything. Ooh, right there, I like that. Oh, that's actually glued to it too. That's not like a flimsy piece, but can you guys see that? See the R that's actually built into that? See if we can get the sunlight there. Look at that, look how cool that is. I love that. This is the actual cover to the Slamology knob here. So let me go ahead and pull this out. Let's get this up on the car here. This looks phenomenal. This is a Durlin style material. Very, very nice. This is a cover that can go over top here, guys. I'll show you here in a minute the rest of the shift knob. But this is a cover that could actually go on top. Right now it has a Sphereology knob that you'll be able to see here, but this is a Slamology style right now. Love this. Now let's go ahead and open the actual box with the actual shift knob in it now. See if I can get this open. There we go. Okay, first off, again, nice box. And right off the top here, I like this. It says, enjoy the drive. Comes with a nice little pamphlet. Let's go ahead and open this up, actually. Is this actually taped down? What is this? Oh no. Well, apparently I am going to ruin it. It's a little pamphlet. What is this? Oh, it comes with a little little white RACESENG sticker. See that? I like that. I really, really like that. And then it comes with like a little book. Almost like a little pamphlet here. What's it say here? Jeff sang, the RACESENG story commenced with my grandfather started making race car parts before he knew he could design, craft something superior. Over 60 years later, my father and I uphold his conviction through RACESENG. So this is pretty cool. It goes on a little bit more here, but I'm not going to bore you guys to death, but I like this little touch here. Let's go ahead and put this off to the side here along with the sticker. Put the scraps, since I just decided to ruin that. And ooh, right here, this is what we're going to use. Then I'll show you guys in a minute what the point of this piece is for. This is what you're going to use to actually thread on the shift knob itself. So I'll show you this here in a minute. And then finally, guys, the shift knob itself. Let's see if I can get this one-handed. First thing I'm going to say is, holy cow, is this thing heavy. Number two is, check out the cloth it comes in. Like, look at this little drop bag. Like, how cool is this? Like, it comes in this little drop cloth bag. Like, this is something you get from Under Armour. Like, how it's really soft. I guess it's like a suede-ish material almost. Very, very soft. Now let's go ahead and open this. But guys, I wanted this outside here just so you could see it here. I'm gonna have to move this inside here now because the sun is coming down, but I wanted to get outside just because here's the shift knob. I just want to be able to show you the color in natural sunlight. Look at this thing. It is amazing. Heavy, 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 heavy. And like I was saying here, this is the plastic cover on it right now. The center section is a stainless steel 304 that they then powder coated a custom color. If you go to their website, they allow a plethora of covers and covers. It's very, very nice. God, I love this thing. It's super heavy and it fits in your hand perfectly too. Again, I did get the option of the Slamology cover too, which I would then take off this cover and put this over top, which has the engraving in it. Again, that is another option that they offer there. You can get this with the engraving or without it, but now you wouldn't be able to see the engraving on top of that, so you would just see this the whole way through. I kind of like both just for the fact that this is a mixture of the two. If you know what it's like in a cold climate or a hot climate, an all metal shift knob will burn your hand, especially when it gets really hot out. In the winter, it just sucks to hit them because your hands are freezing cold. So this gives you the best of both worlds, being super, super heavy, but having the plastic cover around the edge makes it easy so your hand doesn't get burnt. So I really, really, really like the quality of this. I can't wait to get this in the car. But let's go ahead and move inside the garage now and finish up this video. All right, guys, so I kind of lied there a little bit. I decided to shoot this on another day to get this on so I can have nice sunlight coming in. So to make this really easy, first things first, we got to remove our first stock and remove the stock shift knob. Next up, guys, you're going to want to install this thread pitch adapter. One thing I want to make very clear when going to install this is installing this, you need to make sure you use blue thread locker. What this does is it allows this to sit on here tightly, and when you crank down your shift knob, it won't pull off with it. So when you go to put your shift knob on now, if you would go to crank this down and say it would get stuck inside of here, you pull it off, there's no way to really get this out. So you want to make sure you put blue thread locker on here so it sticks to this. Blue thread locker allows you to, if you want to ever down the road, put a 15mm wrench on top of this then and break it loose. They do have it set up for a hex style 15mm box wrench, which is very nice. So that is one thing you guys need to make sure is very well done and make sure it sits. Give it at least, I would recommend at least a couple hours, if not 24, an entire day. So next up, we're going to install the actual shift knob itself. Now, a very important part here is the set screw up top here that you can see me spinning. What this is going to allow for is, if you can see here, I have set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the 5-speed transmission I have. What this allows for is to get the numbering facing perfectly. You don't want to put it on and it's face crooked or not on there correctly. What this allows for is to keep trying to get it on until the numbers are facing you the way you want and the orientation you would like. So I'm going to go ahead and try spinning it on. Unfortunately, they're not facing the right way, so I need to take that set screw and back it up a little bit. Again, need to back it up again. And this is the part of it. Like, if you want it to be perfect like I do, you have to keep doing this until... Back it up some, put it back on, until you get it just about where you want it. So let's go back inside here so I can show you guys the shift knob again. Let the sun hit it there real quick, but it looks great, guys. I'm super happy with it. Obviously the audio changed too. I switched back to my GoPro now, but I'm really, really, really digging the shift knob. And it is heavy. Like, right off the bat, just trying to shift it makes what a world of difference. It's just that weight. I'm just surprised how much weight makes that much of a difference, but it really does. So another thing people were asking me about, so I wanted to make something very clear too with the front wheels. When you get a geometry kit, that's going to pull it in about 10 to 15 millimeters. So think of offset. Imagine taking the wheels and pushing them in about 10 to 15 millimeters. Now, when you do that, the top hats allow more room for the coilovers and allow the wheels to go in. Then the geometry kit really takes the tie rod ends and everything else and literally pushes it back some. Gives you better center, but allows you to run big, wide wheels. It's a nifty little thing that I believe Wilhelm's the only one that makes it. I believe he's the only one that offers a geometry kit. Don't quote me on that. But once I get that on, it'll bring them in a little bit more. Plus, that's why I haven't swapped out the tires yet. The guy I'm talking to said, you know, hold off. You might want them to be meaty. Like I said, the rear won't be done. It'll just be the front. So he said, hold off for right now. Get all that on. Get it looking the way you want. Put some camber in it. And then look at it. If you don't like it, then get a little bit smaller tire, as in keep a 235, but get away from these ones with these, I guess, these rim protector tires. Again, I regret getting these, but yeah, try something else. I'll most likely end up getting rid of them altogether for the fact that, well, I just don't like the way they look. I think a set of Nitto Neogens or Nitto NT 555s would look really good, and I think finish off the car. All right, guys, so let's end out this video by going for a little drive here. It's been really, really nice out, really, really warm, as you saw here. It's just been beautiful. You know, it's been quite nice. And what the fuck? All right, God damn it, what happened? Guys, look at this. What? I literally just took that video yesterday, finishing it off here today. Look, I don't make, like, look at this. It's not like a little bit of snow. Like, we've got like a good 10 inches of snow already. Like, where did it come from? Jesus hates me. I swear, Jesus hates me. That's the only thing I can come up with. And it's cold. Oh my God, is it cold? All right, well, I guess it is a 4x4, but we can't take it for a drive. Yeah, so I guess that's not going to happen. Who would have thought it was going to snow 10 inches, 12 inches of snow here the day after? It was just 60. I repeat, 60 yesterday. It is 25 today. In less than 24 hours, and it has changed that much. Welcome to Pennsylvania, people. Welcome to Pennsylvania. So I guess that's going to be it for this one, guys. Thank you very much for all chiming in and tuning in today. Again, one thing I wanted to say is go down below, check out the Facebook and Instagram. Also check out the merchandise. I've got my website down below. And just a reminder, April 28th, I will be at the Northeast Super Meet. April 29th, I will be at the YouTube Call Out with my Toyota Supra, and I have a big booth set up. So please come by, stop by, and say hello. Thank you guys very much, and I'll talk to you later. Peace! There goes a sight from my soul.